Let's learn to play an F chord. And an F chord is a tricky chord to play because however you play it, it's a little bit awkward. One way to play it is to take an E chord, move the whole thing up one step, and bar it at the first fret. Now the hardest place to bar something is right at the first fret because you're so close to the nut that you have to press really hard. When you're further up the fretboard, there isn't as much tension there because you're further away from the nut and it's easier to play. But right at the fret, that can be tricky. So one thing that we can do is take our C chord and move these two fingers down one, just like on G we move down one to go to C, we can do down one more to play our F chord, but then we need to cover both of the bottom two strings here with one finger, which can be tricky because it's a little awkward. You need to use the pad of your finger instead of the tip of your finger. So with the first finger, we're going to cover on the first fret strings 1 and 2. On the second fret, we're going to press down on string 3, and on the third fret, we're going to press down on string 4. And then skip playing strings 5 and 6 and just play these 4. So it's very similar to a C and easy to move back and forth between our C, F, and G chords, which are our 1, 4, and 5 in the key of C. So let's try this together. First finger on the first and second string, second finger on the second fret third string, third finger on the third fret fourth string. Okay, take your fingers off, give them a rest, and let's put them back on again. Awesome, you guys are doing great.